Set yourselves up. You have about 40 seconds, a little over 40 seconds before you send it.
Lalaro na si Melvin.
Couple reminders, you each have 1
Tagig, pasig, tagig. Ito lang eh.
by ones and twos. First to 12. But also, if you don't make it first to 12,
Maglalaban pa lang, yung player niya. Magaling yun eh. Naglaro ata kila Jordan.
Got 24 seconds before the official start of this matchup. This is game number 10 games in out of 16.
Bye, banat bye.
Alright, here we go.
Shows how fast the action is.
Okay, game tayo. Melvin versus... Ano ba ang kalaban?
Adidas Forecaster.
Nice, boy.
These are your finalists. They made it past the shootout competition.
Nice, boy.
The grand prize is 100,000 pesos cash. Give support from Adidas and Toby Sports Kit as well. I know. I know. If I were to get that grand prize,
Bang!
what am I gonna do with me?
2-0. Hoy! Grabe ka naman ba?
Despite
Grabe ka, boy.
he didn't have the first crack at the basket.
Yes.
Bang bang.
Was sound.
5-0.
Wow.
7-0.
Remember, no, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. We've seen games earlier that started really
Tigas yan.
strong, but ended real quick
Uy.
afterwards. Oh, quick hands.
Hands there. Now another crack in the basket in 5 seconds. Burda. Oh,
Good defense.
yeah, that was good defense already.
5-1.
Oh, what a shot ball game. A little bit of top right there.
That's the first time we've seen that today. But you know, in competition, especially with something as big as these stakes, you rarely do something like that.
Let's see, Capuano will have another possession. 2-pointer. No good.
5-1.
You see the big settling down after starting off strong for 90 seconds.
Oh, that
Sure,
was
it's an air ball. It is an air ball.
great defense.
Let's see if the change of spot plays a different.
7.
Wow, it's 7-1.
Oh man, like you gotta see this. And how he's shooting is very consistent. Straight away, good flick of the ball.
7-1.
And you see people come alive.
Ano kuya, sanay na sanay. Alam niya gagawin niya. Titirahan niya muna ng 2 points no.
The next round and then straight away to the finalists.
Wala na tayo practice eh. Bang bang bang.
Heat check time, ladies and gentlemen.
Baba!
See that today is the first one. Is wants to end it right here.
Let's see. Shot, no good.
Remember, the 3-point shot takes a lot of effort. You're heaving it from a longer distance. And he only needs 1 point to win. But he's still playing great defense. Ooh, that's a foul.
Of course, it takes a lot of power.
Mga ganun.
And you remember,
Let's see.
you see a lot of players as well. Some people use foreleg power, other people use more
Naglaro kami
upper
kagabi sa tangke baba.
You have to use the whole body. If you only
Umulan.
use one body,
Second quarter na tigil.
by the time it gets tired, you're not gonna have a consistent shot by the end of the game.
Ay, 2 free throws pala pagka ano.
Players, falter towards the end.
That's true, but he plays it back.
11-2.
It's 11-2. Let's see. 5 minutes. 8 seconds. Oh, a steal there.
Sayang yung yugto nyo. Sayang yung yugto. Kaya nga eh.
8 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Championship nila.
Ooh, just short off the
maulan.
Despite the hype, you know, he's playing hard. Yeah, playing hard, playing good defense.
And the fact that he's still leading by now 10 points, 9 points rather.
Isa lang siya, wala na.
You got 6 seconds to show off.
Dalawa.
5 remaining. 5 seconds. Urdas make his move.
Mga vlogger din. Ito, nagpa-vlog.
Remember, you only need
Nagpa-vlog din to eh.
just one.
Bang mo. Ayaw.
Close but not close.
4-10 remaining.
Wala na edit to.
Urdas will win this one. He has
Pagod na yung kalaban.
the first one to hit.
Basic tip niya, no? Tama lang yun.
Because in this game, Jensen,
Ano nga lang?
Urdas will still go for that.
Nice game. Sabi na bay.
Very quick. All the fastest game we've seen so far.
1-0.